Okay, so good afternoon, or good evening, everyone. This is Miss Turner. I'm going to show you how to do this problem on your Unit 1 review. This is on the quizzes, so make sure that you do the quizzes. It's a great review for the test that is on Tuesday, September 8th, so the day right after Labor Day. Yes, you will have a test, but you will have access to this video and all the other videos, and you'll have access to the review. You can do the review as many times as you want, and you can always ask me questions. You can come to my small groups, or you can come to my office hours. Remember, my office hours have changed, and the small group times have changed as well. Small group in the morning, office hours in the morning is 10 to 11. Small group is from 11:15 to 12, and then afternoon small group is 1:30 to 2:15, and then office hours in the afternoon is from 2:30 to 3:30. If you need a different time, please message me and we can get that arranged. Alright, so let's look at this problem. First of all, we've been talking about equivalent, which means equal, fractions, decimals, and percents. Please read the questions carefully. They're just asking you to find the equivalent fraction, decimal, or percent, or sometimes both. So this particular one is a word problem, but just read it carefully and you'll be able to get it. So it says, the shaded area on the grid represents the part of a cake eaten. Ooh, let's try this again. The shaded area on the grid represents the part of an eaten cake. Oh, I need to change that. Each small square on the cake has the same dimension. So everybody got the same slice. Everybody got the same piece size. What percent of the cake was eaten? Okay, so first I'm going to look at my grid. I need to figure out how many squares are there in total anyways. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I know that there's 5 going horizontal. Dang it, Loki. 5 going horizontally. Sorry, that's my cat. So 5 going horizontally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 going vertically. So 6. 5 times 6 is 30. So there's 30 pieces of cake. The shaded part represents how many were already eaten. Alright, I'm trying to figure out how to work this. It's hard to control, but we'll get it together. So we said 30 pieces because we did 5 times 6. And we need to figure out what's the part eaten already. So I'm going to count the shaded number. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12. Okay. Then it's asking me the percent. Well, how do I go from a fraction to a percent? I can divide this number. I can do top and bottom out, or I know that I can reduce this fraction because they're both even numbers. But I also know a number they can both be divided by, which is 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4. And change my color. Equals 4. And 30 divided by 3 is just 10. So I have 4/10. Now if you remember, going from a fraction to a fraction to a decimal, when you have like tens, hundreds, thousandths, you can use place value. So this is just 4/10. And again, I'm still trying to get to percent. So what I'm going to do is take my decimal and move it 1, 2 spaces to the right. In this empty space right here, I'm going to put a 0. So almost finished. Equals 40 percent. 40%. So what I did first was I calculated how many squares there were in total. So I counted 5 going this way and 6 this way. 5 times 6 is 30. Then I put the number of shaded squares that I see, and that was 12. I reduced my fraction by dividing by 3. I got 4/10. Then I changed the 4/10 decimal. I moved it 1, 2 spaces to the right. In the blank space, I put a 0, which equals 40%. My decimal converted to a percent is 40. That is how you do these problems. If you have questions, please send me a message. You can email me. Yeah. All right. Have a good day or night.